Good morning, dear students and parents. Imagine waking up in 2030 and tapping a button that instantly diagnoses your health condition or stepping into a bus that drives itself through traffic jams, effortlessly avoiding congestion. No, these aren't scenes from science fiction movie. They are on the brink of reality, fueled by AI and the engineering behind it. Today, we'll explore how a 4-year electronics and telecommunication engineering degree can place you at the center of these breakthroughs. You won't just learn theory, you'll learn to build tomorrow's intelligent systems. From voice commands that recognize your accent to hand gesture controls on gaming consoles, AI is there in our daily life. Last year, over 200 million AI-powered devices were globally sold. It's an 18% jump from 2023, which is substantial. Platforms like ChatGPT, Bard, and other Indian startups are democratizing innovation. In 2024 alone, over $100 billion dollars were invested worldwide into generative AI research and products. As far as the Indian ecosystem is concerned, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Mumbai incubators added over 150 AI startups in the last 12 months, many founded by E&TC graduates, this is to be noted, who understood both circuits and the code. More than 50 premier institutions have launched AI major electives specifically for E&TC students, forging partnership with industry leaders like TCS, Tata Elxsi, and like so. Now, why E&TC and AI is a winning combination? This is what we are interested in knowing. Think of a drone that senses obstacles mid-flight. The camera, which is a sensor, captures the images. The signal processing circuits convert the analog to digital. Then AI algorithms identify and avoid the obstacle in real time. Brands like Qualcomm and MediaTek are embedding AI accelerators into mobile chips. As an E&TC engineer, you would design these accelerators or the chips that run machine learning models in milliseconds on your phone or wearable without relying on a distant server. In fact, this is called as edge computing. Now, for all this to happen, we also have to think of the seamless connectivity of the network. 5G and beyond is what is the future. Autonomous cars, robotic surgeries, and immersive AR/VR experiences demand ultra-low latency. Latency is the time gap of response or the delay which is there in sending the message and receiving the same. Telecommunication engineers ensure data flows in microseconds, making life-saving applications possible. An E&TC graduate can craft the 5G, 6G network protocols that allow an AI-powered ambulance to reach a patient in time. Picture a smart farm where soil moisture sensors, that is electronics, they relay data over LoRaWAN or narrowband IoT networks to an AI model that determines the precise irrigation schedule, thus maximizing the yield and conserving water at the same time. That's E&TC plus AI at work, solving real agricultural challenges in rural India. Now, as far as healthcare is concerned, as I was saying, smart healthcare is the need of the time. In fact, to share with you, my team of E&TC engineering students have developed a wristband that continuously monitors blood pressure using infrared signals. In fact, multiple teams working with me are actively involved in healthcare product development. We are working on dental tools, posture analysis, and many more biomedical problems. Having received a grant of rupees 10 lakhs from AICTE, the students are exploring innovative ideas. This inadvertently involves modern electronic hardware and AI both. In 2024, over 1.2 million teleconsultations in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities used AI triage systems to prioritize cases before connecting patients to the specialists. E&TC graduates built those secure video streaming and data encryption protocols. Hyderabad's smart city pilot deployed 5 AI-driven electric buses in late 2024. They rely on LiDAR sensors, which essentially are electronic hardware. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. And edge AI modules to predict the pedestrian movement, reducing accidents by over whopping 35% in trial zones. That is really remarkable. Telecommunication teams ensured these buses stay connected to central traffic management AI, coordinating routes in real time. As far as Indian startups are concerned, a Bengaluru startup combined soil sensors, again hardware, electronic hardware, with deep learning model to forecast monsoon patterns. Local farmers using this system reported a 25% increase in crop yields during the last Rabi season. E&TC engineers handled everything from sensor calibration to setting up the network that transmits data across the fields. A Hyderabad-based IoT company created an affordable AI-powered thermostat that learns your family's schedule. It reduces energy bills by up to 20% in the first year. Embedded E&TC teams wrote the firmware. Telecom teams ensured that the device communicates seamlessly over the Wi-Fi and the 4G or 5G network. My own product, sold as concrete maturity meter, was single-handedly designed and developed by one E&TC engineer, that is obviously myself, which involved embedded hardware, Wi-Fi cloud storage and user interface, and AI-enabled software on AI and Android and Windows platforms. So E&TC, background of E&TC has helped a lot in creating the complete system. Now let us see the career trajectories. What are the specialized roles that await you after you graduate as E&TC engineers with a focus of AI? So design and optimize AI accelerators, inference engines, which I was already talking about, or specialized field programmable gate arrays for low power edge devices. This is a very niche area. Telecom AI specialists developing AI algorithms to predict network congestion, optimize 5G slices, and even orchestrate drone-based cell towers in disaster zones. You can also have system architecture, IoT system architecture as a career, bridge sensors, communication protocols, and cloud AI models to build end-to-end solutions, smart factories, precision agriculture, or connected healthcare. You can also have a career as an embedded AI developer where you write machine learning code that fits within the microcontrollers, enabling AI, let us say in a wristwatch or in a very small device which is handheld. Let us look at the demand projections. By 2029, over 12 million new AI and machine learning job openings will surface across the globe, a 25% increase from 2024 levels. That actually should raise enthusiasm amongst us. AI roles consistently top hardest positions to fill in tech surveys, indicating more openings than the qualified candidates. That is the job potential. From 600,000 in-demand AI professionals in 2023 to an estimated 1.5 million by 2029, India is fueling an AI talent surge. Technical giants like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and unicorn startups are ramping up AI divisions, creating high growth entry points for fresh graduates. If you look at ultimately everything boils down to salary and growth. On graduation, E&TC graduates with AI experience can command anywhere between 8 to 12 lakhs per annum in metropolitan hubs. By mid-career, let us say 4 or 6 years down the line, salaries can leap up to 25 to 30 lakhs per annum in AI-centric roles. International opportunities, Silicon Valley, Europe, often start at $120,000 for top performance. As you gain domain expertise, say in autonomous vehicles or AI-powered healthcare devices, your career can branch into leadership roles, AI project leads, R&D, manager, or entrepreneurial ventures, founding a startup around your specialized innovation. Now, what is the vision of India? As you are aware of the Vikasit Bharat Abhiyan 2047, it's a national call to innovation. Vikasit Bharat Abhiyan aims to position India among the world's top 3 economies by the centenary of independence. We already are the 4th, that is the latest. Central to this is harnessing AI, semiconductors, and next generation communication networks. For that, there is a lot of curriculum changes which are happening the training changes which are happening. Over 14,000 engineering colleges, including leading E&TC departments, have introduced AI labs, hackathons, and workshops. Starting this year, every E&TC curriculum includes some amount of credits for AI and ML courses taught by industry standard and faculty. We at Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University College of Engineering are already offering a minor degree program called as AI and DS in conformance with NEP 2020 policy of Government of India. So we are already updated. New centers of excellence in AI plus electronics and telecommunication are springing up in tier 2 cities, specifically Lucknow, Kochi, Guwahati, etc., democratizing access for regional talent. Students can now intern at this center of excellences, working on government-sponsored smart city projects, agri-tech, or drone surveillance for disaster management. India AI mission, which is 10,000 crore budget, mission launched in 2024, funds high-performance computing clusters at national labs, open source AI toolkits for local languages, and seed grants for student-led AI projects. E&TC students with viable prototypes, for example an AI-powered prosthetic sensor, can apply for startup grants up to rupees 50 lakhs. Again, Digital India 2.0 aggressively will roll out 5G across rural India, targeted completion by 2027, ensures E&TC graduates can develop and test AI-enabled IoT solutions in previously uncovered, unconnected regions. Think telemedicine kiosks in remote villages or solar-powered smart microgrids. Now, why this is the right path? This is what you have to make a decision. The very first thing, that is future-proofing your career. Remember that adaptability always wins. While AI frameworks or chip architectures may evolve, the core principles that you learn, how sensors capture data, how signal is processed, digitized, how networks carry information, and how AI interprets it in a sensible way, this will remain foundational. This gives you a resilience against rapid technology changes. Versatility, if you look at that with an E&TC AI plus AI background, you are not locked into one niche. You can pivot to roles in hardware design, network optimization, data analytics, robotics, or even policy advisor, which helps government in crafting AI strategies. So government jobs are also an opening there. Again, everything boils down to personal fulfillment and the impact that you make on the society. Whether it's creating low-cost hearing aids powered by AI sound filters, building energy-efficient smart grids, or designing language agnostic AI chatbots for regional dialects, your work will touch lives and uplift the community. Again, many E&TC plus AI focused alumni launch startups in domains like agri-tech, health tech, or even ed tech. By 2025, over 30% of Indian AI startups were founded by E&TC graduates. Mark this very, very important thing. If entrepreneurship appeals to you, this degree gives you the technical credibility investors usually look for. Now, since, as you can say, it's a stable, lucrative path, given the shortage of qualified AI talents, both hardware and software experts, you will enjoy rewarding salaries, starting salaries, and rapid progression. Industry reports indicate that E&TC with AI focus in India have a 40% higher starting package compared to traditional courses, traditional programs like computer, IT, etc. India's emphasis on Skill India and Make in India dovetails with this global technical demand. Your skill set won't be limited to local markets. You would be recruited by multinational teams in USA, Europe, or even the United Arab Emirates. Parents can be confident that this career path is backed by both national policy and the international demand. So, in a few years, you may wake up to a world you helped create, a world where drones deliver medicines to the remote villages, AI-driven wearables detect health issues before they become critical, and smart traffic grids ensure emergency vehicles through city chaos. All this starts with the solid foundation you build in an E&TC with an AI-focused program. You won't merely be working with technology, you will be weaving the technology into the fabric of the society. Choosing this path means choosing to stay curious, to embrace lifelong learning, and to collaborate across disciplines. If you enjoy solving puzzles, tinkering with gadgets, and thinking about how systems work, interact, this is where you belong. So, having said this, I wish this information was useful to you in shaping up your, at least taking the very first step towards your career. If there are any questions, you can contact me. My mail ID will be shared. Thank you so much.